Looking for the best finish nailers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 finish nailers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Bostitch 15 gauge angled finish nailer. Angled magazine makes the nailer comfortable to use. Easy to control the depth of the nails. Includes 4 profile tips that allow for precise placement of the nails. Profile tips store securely in carrying case. Clearing any nail jams is a simple process. Doesn't weigh as much as some other finish nailers. Trusted tool manufacturer. Durable and lightweight finish nailer. Plenty of excellent features that will work for most jobs. Some problems with nail jams and double fires. Plastic magazine isn't durable. At number 2. Hitachi 16 gauge finish nailer. Sharp looking silver and black tool design. Includes an OMA tip to protect the surface of the material. Can adjust the air exhaust port 360 degrees to aim it away from the operator's face. Includes an air duster button to clear debris from the area where the nail will be driven. Trusted brand name in power tools. Good price point for a finish nailer, but it still contains a number of cool and useful features you'll love. Build quality could be better. Users may experience misfires and jams with hardwoods. At number 1. DeWalt 18 volts 16 gauge angled finish nailer kit. Surprisingly easy to discard jammed nails thanks to a removable nose piece on the nailer. Accepts any 20 degrees angled finish nails. Bump operating mode allows for extremely fast performance. Also can set up the nailer for slower performance but precise nail placement. Cordless nailer can be used anywhere. High quality finish nailer that works in many different conditions from a trusted brand name in tools. Heavy nailer that can cause fatigue when using it for periods. Longevity is questionable. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.